Who is wiser, adults or little children? हामी प्राय adults are wiser भन्छौँ, but can little children sometimes be wiser than adults? आजको स्टोरी Wisdom of Little Girls by Leo Tolstoy, Class 10 English, Unit 11, Reading 1 ले यही सोचलाई च्यालेन्ज गर्छ। दुई साना केटी अकुले एन्ड मलासाको एउटा सानो कोरलले एडल्ट्सको बीचमा ठुलो झगडा निम्त्याउँछ। तर इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा के हो भने adults are busy fighting while the little girls are busy solving the problems. So, who is really wiser, adults or children? Let's find out. It was early Easter. Snow had just melted and water was running through the village street. दुई साना केटीहरू अकुले एन्ड मलासा दुई फरक घरबाट आएका थिए। उनीहरू एउटा सानो लेनमा भेट्छन् जहाँ डर्टी वाटर जम्मा भएर एउटा ठुलो पडल बनेको थियो। Their mothers had dressed them in beautiful new clothes. One girl wore a blue frock and the other wore a yellow print, and both had a red kerchief on their hands. उनीहरू चर्चबाट फर्किएका थिए। पहिले उनीहरूले एकअर्कालाई आफ्नो फाइनरी अर्थात् राम्रो र सजिएको लुगाहरू देखाउँछन्। Then they began to play. खेल्दै जाँदा उनीहरूको ध्यान पडलमा गयो। Melissa wanted to step into the water. तर अकुलाले उनलाई रोक्दै भनिन्, त्यसरी पानीमा नजाऊ, तिम्रो आमाले तिमीलाई गाली गर्नुहुनेछ। So they took off their shoes and stockings and carefully walked through the puddles. तर जब मलासाको खुट्टा पानीभित्र गयो, पानी उनको एङ्कलसम्म पुग्यो। She became frightened. It's deep, Akule, I'm afraid. And then Akule replied, Come on, don't be frightened. It won't get any deeper. यहाँसम्म everything was fine. But when the two girls came close to each other, Akule warned Melissa, Mind, Melissa, don't splash, walk carefully. तर मलासाले अचानक आफ्नो खुट्टा जोडले पानीमा टेक्छिन् र पानी उछिटिन्छ। पानी सिधा अकुलेको फ्रकमा पुग्यो। उसको कपडा मात्र होइन, आँखा र नाकमा पनि पानी पुग्यो। अकुले वाज भेरी एङ्ग्री। उ रिसाएर मलासालाई कुट्न दौडिन्। मलासा पनि डराइन् र पडलबाट बाहिर निस्केर घरतिर दौडिन्। त्यसै बेला अकुलेको मदर त्यहाँ आइपुगिन्। She saw her daughter's dirty clothes and asked angrily, You naughty dirty girl, what have you been doing? Akule replied, Melissa did it on purpose. अब यहाँबाट स्टोरीले ठुलो टर्न लिन्छ। अकुलेकी मदरले मलासालाई समातिन्न उनलाई हिर्काइन्। Melissa began to cry loudly. उनको आमा पनि बाहिर आइन्। She angrily asked, What are you beating my girl for? अब एउटा सानो बच्चाहरूको पडलमा भएको झगडा ठुलाहरूको ठुलो झगडामा परिणत भयो। One word led to another. एउटा कुराले अर्को कुरा निम्ताउँदै गयो। Soon the two women began quarreling. त्यसपछि पुरुषहरू पनि बाहिर आए। A crowd gathered in the street. सबैले चिच्याइरहेका थिए। तर no one was listening to anyone. अर्थात् सबै बोलिरहेका थिए तर कसैले कसैको कुरा भने सुनिरहेको थिएन। The quarrel became so serious that one person pushed another. The situation was almost turning into a fight. त्यसै बेला अकुलेकी ओल्ड ग्रान्डमदर त्यहाँ आइन्। उनले सबैलाई शान्त पार्न खोज्दै भनिन्, It's a time for rejoicing and not for such a folly as this. अर्थात् यो त खुसी मनाउने समय हो, यस्तो मूर्खतापूर्ण झगडा गर्ने समय होइन। तर sadly, the adults were not ready to listen. उनीहरूको रिस यति बढिसकेको थियो कि they almost knocked the old woman off her feet. Now, think about this. A tiny puddle caused a huge fight among the adults. तर त्यही समयमा what were the two little girls doing? They were doing something completely different. While the adults were busy arguing, Akula went back to the puddle. उसले आफ्नो फ्रकबाट मड सफा गरिन्। Then she picked up a stone and began scraping away the earth in front of the puddle. Why? उनी पानी बग्ने एउटा सानो च्यानल बनाउन चाहन्थिन्। मलासा पनि उनीसँगै आइन्। She found a chip of wood and helped Akule dig the channel. Chip of wood भनेको यहाँ काठको एउटा सानो टुक्रा हो। दुवै साना केटीहरूले मिलेर पडलको पानीलाई अर्को बाटोबाट बगाउने च्यानल बनाए। And suddenly the water started flowing. पानी त्यो सानो च्यानल हुँदै स्ट्रिटतिर बग्न थाल्यो। र सबैभन्दा इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा के भयो भने the water flowed exactly towards the place where the old woman was trying to stop the fighting men. Imagine the scene. एकातिर adults were shouting and fighting, and अर्कोतिर two little girls were happily playing with the flowing water. Akula shouted, "Catch it, Malasa, catch it!" And Malasa could not even speak because she was laughing hard. उनीहरू पानीसँगै खेल्दै थिए। उनीहरूलाई एडल्ट्सको झगडाको कुनै मतलब थिएन। The two girls ran straight towards the group of men. Old grandmotherले त्यो दृश्य देखिन्. She looked at the fighting men and said, "Are you not ashamed of yourself? के तिमीहरूलाई आफ्नो व्यवहार देखेर लाज लाग्दैन?" उनले एउटा पावरफुल कम्पेरिजन गरिन्. She said that adults were fighting because of the quarrel, while the little girls had already forgotten it and were happily playing together. Dear little souls, they are wiser than you. सानो कुरालाई बढाएर झगडा सुरु गर्नेहरू एडल्ट्स थिए, तर त्यसलाई बिर्सेर फेरि खुसी साथ खेल्न सक्नेहरू चाहिँ चिल्ड्रेन थिए. द मेन लुक्ड एट देयर लिटल गर्ल्स. उनीहरूलाई आफ्नो व्यवहारप्रति लाज लाग्यो. They laughed at themselves and returned to their own homes. Finally, the quarrel was over. So, what is the real wisdom in this story? Wisdom भनेको केवल नलेज हुनु मात्र होइन. Real wisdom means knowing when to stop anger, when to forgive others, and when to move forward. Adults had experience, strength, and the authority. तर उनीहरूले आफ्नो एङ्गर कन्ट्रोल गर्न सकेनन्. चिल्ड्रेन भने सानो मिसअन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ पछि फेरि पनि सँगै खेल्न थाले. यही कारणले स्टोरीको टाइटल विस्डम अफ लिटल गर्ल्स पर्फेक्टली सुट गर्छ. The main message of Wisdom of Little Girl is forgiveness is better than anger and peace is better than conflict. कहिलेकाहीँ हामीले ठुलो समस्या समाधान गर्न ठुलो शक्ति होइन, मनको सिम्प्लिसिटी र फर्गिभनेस चाहिन्छ. And remember this beautiful lesson. Don't let a small problem become a big fight. यदि तपाईलाई आजको एक्सप्लेनेसन युजफुल लाग्यो भने लाइक दिस भिडियो, शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेन्ड्स एन्ड सब्सक्राइब टु द च्यानल फर more essay English lessons. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning.